The second question is about the parametric solution. We understand that the modified equation uses non-zero value for the right-hand side, which converts into a differential equation, and then there is an analytical solution for it, and then there is a parametric solution for it. In the slides we've seen earlier and in some of your past work, we have a parameter alpha based on which we define speed, and then the space and time is defined based of p and alpha, speed and alpha. Speed we can realize the model converts, or let's say translates speeds into proportion to speed of light, where 1 is being speed of light and so on, and alpha is the value which goes from negative infinity to positive infinity. Speeds related to speeds of light is found out. What is this parameter alpha? We could not, it's required mathematically by the model and the parametric solution, but do we see any physical significance of alpha? There was regions of the space-time structure which are defined based on alpha. So can you please elaborate something behind the intrinsic nature of this alpha? Is it just a mathematical entity, or there is a physical component to that? Thank you.
True, then this introduction of alpha is a practice in cases when a transformation is made in the combination of variables to suit a mathematical truth. In other words, here all this speed, length and time are rewritten in some combinations, so that they come to kind of mathematical truth. That is possible if it is possible. Wherever it is possible to convert this into pure mathematical situation, they go into this trick of combining functions suitably and make a new function. That new function becomes mathematical truth. In this way, this parameter alpha actually appeared in Euclidean geometry also, where then geometries like elliptical, hyperbolic are such coming. So they appeared in mathematics at least. And there the founder of this subjects called this parameter which simplifies, which comes out after simplification. That is, functions are combined, recombined in a way they come mathematical. And that after this thing, the parameter is introduced, he called it thermometric parameter as a mathematics. It is known. It is introduced by Lamb, a great mathematician. Thermometric is an analogy from the previous experience that Boyle's law, pressure, volume, product is constant temperature. So at that time, this temperature institute, though it is completely different, this is the thermodynamic property associated with pressure and volume, but it became a parameter which joins them as a constant. So this parameter introduction is essentially an outcome of the recombination of the variables in such a way that become mathematical truth. That is it. Here, speed is not speed. Speed multiplied with some function of speed, velocity. Time is not time. Time completely multiplied with some velocity. So both of them are mixes. Speed and velocity, time and velocity. Therefore, they became simpler. Became a confocal atom. This is precisely the structure of special relativity. Special relativity makes them depend on each time and speed variables are dependent on speed. The speed is the speed of the system, not the speed such measurements. So it is change of the variables systematically into new variables which become mathematical truth. That is why this parameter enters as a mathematical variable, but called as a tensor because it helped us thermodynamics, where thermodynamic variables are converted temperature, these are different. Thank you.